There you go. Something's smoking over there in the distance. I don't know what that is. See it there? Coming up black. Huh. I don't know. Anyway, I was waiting around to come a little early, picking Christina up. Thought I'd walk around and film here at Welcome Home again. Just see if I can pick anything up without using a spirit box. Never know. Might can. They would tear this old church down and rebuild if they want to. But it would, I mean, it might be alright to set a camera up, like I said, and leave it in here overnight, but I'm not so sure I'd even want to step on that floor. You know, any little bump may cause the whole daggone thing to come crushing down, you know. This thing's old. And sorry for any of the bouncing. I'm filming just with the phone. I mean, every bit of the wood is just rotten. Every bit of it. Wonder about this lower spot down here. Termites and everything else is what's doing all this. Oh. That sounds like from inside. I know I heard something. I pray I caught it on video here. If y'all heard that too, let me know in the comment. That was loud, whatever it was. But you could definitely tell it was coming from in here. Something dropped or something. I don't know. Dadgummit. infant children of R.D. Bullock, Mary E. Mayhall Bullock, Mary Irene, 1930 to 1930, Leona, 1932 to June 24, 1933, infant, 1963, 1933, no, it's 1933 to 1933, yeah. They was probably just a few days old. So that would be 1, 2, and 3. You guys may need to wear earbuds, I don't know. It's a little windy. I'm still gonna talk to them. If we do get a EVP, it may sound like a whisper, so when you watch this thing, just go ahead and make sure you use earbuds, because sometimes they can speak pretty loud, sometimes they can't. I like that name right here. Check this out. Ronald Redeye, March 23rd, 1951 to July 17th, 2019. Ronald, can you hear me? If any of you can hear me, try to speak up today. Using my energy. Go find a shade to get into. I bet this right here was a grave too at one time. And that tree's crushed it down. Don't that figure? The other day when we was up here, Christina was filming for me, and I asked about that chair sitting there, and that Benson feller said, and it ain't going nowhere. And I guess it's probably his son or somebody put it up here. It's got that little sunflower in it. H.W. Benson, April 20th, 1881, November 24th, 1952. Lily Benson, April 8th, 1885, December 31st, 1966. You guys can hear me and everything. Come up and talk. Let me hear from you. I know I heard something in that church a while ago. Had to have. Somebody ought to come up here with some kind of little bobcat or something other and fix all them rocks back up like it's supposed to be. Years ago, not anymore, but years ago, you could see pieces of clothing in there and a couple little bones and stuff. He was a war veteran in World War I, and claimed that he got a Purple Heart. This is a disgrace for this, looking like that. Then again, all of his family may be already deceased too, or just moved on somewhere, you know. But it still needs to be fixed, no matter what. And broke off. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's about to play out on me, I think. Can't tell nothing on that side neither. Listen here. Just can't really tell nothing about it. Take gum trees, crushing everything. That's why I gotta get Mama's fixed bad. Come up and talk to me. John W. Walls, Sarah Hill, Minnie Walls, James Walls, any of the Whitaker family. Come on up. Yeah, they can be hollering, and they could just still come out as a whisper. So that's why I always, if I ain't running the spirit box, I tell everybody go ahead and wear earbuds. Here's that Cadet James Edward Ayers, February 11th, 1923, March 13th, 1944. Gave his life for his country. At rest but not forgotten. Thank you for your service. Oh, glories of flying. I think this is the flag the other day. We had them to quit blowing so much wind, and it stopped. And then I asked for it to stand out straight, and it did. It's pretty neat. And it was quite windy that day too, best I remember. Down there at if you go back far enough and watch some of my graveyard videos, that Langston Cemetery, he got two flags out in that cemetery, and I've had them to stand both of them out, had them to drop it on command, had them to pick it back up on command. It's very neat. First time I ever showed Raymond that's when he was working for me. Again, sorry for my voice, guys. I bet you a nickel when I play this thing back, I'm going to listen for that. It just sounded to me like if somebody picked up something and dropped it in there. I mean, it almost sounded like the way that floor is like, say if they were still pews in there and somebody picked one end up and dropped it or something. That's what it seemed to me like, kind of sound like, you know. This daggone side, it's just as bad. You can tell how that roof's bowing too in the middle. Eliza Stubberfield, George T. Guys, I guess I'll cut it here. I'm gonna go and pick her up. I tried 4 or 5 times today to go live on the laptop. It wouldn't do it, so I just did a little live on the phone on one of the updates on Jack and Lily. If it keeps acting up, I guess I'll do the same thing this evening. I love each and every one of you. See you then.